They're crazy. It says storage legends. Okay. All right, Steph's universe is crazy.
Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. I thought that it would be fun to do a reaction sort of video. So last week I sent a package in the mail to Storage Legends. I'll put their link in the description box if you'd like to go check out their channel. Really cute couple, really fun to watch. They go and they dive into storage units. They do YouTube auctions, all sorts of fun stuff. So go check them out when you get a chance. So anyway, I sent them a package in the mail last week, and I think they got it on Monday. So yesterday was Tuesday, they had their live auction. So at the beginning of their video, they opened my package live. And it was a lot of fun. So this isn't my first reaction to it. I was so excited, you guys. It was ridiculous. I don't even know why. I was like a little kid watching them. It was just so cute. I sent this package to them not expecting them to open it, but live in front of everybody. It was just something fun that I wanted to do for them because after watching their videos, I saw that, that they really loved Chick-fil-A, and I've worked for Chick-fil-A for the past 7 years. The past 4 years, I was a marketing director. So, I'm in administration now, but it's just, a lot of fun to be able to do this kind of stuff for people. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, just share the excitement and the love with you guys. It was just a lot of fun, so let's get started.
We did get a box.
Woo! She's in here. I saw her. She was one of the first people in the live.
Is it Steph's universe?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, Steph's universe, you're so funny. So check this out. So we have made, I don't know if you guys checked out the What the Hell's live, but like we showed our
we should just shout out to everybody. Everyone's saying that they got it and they passed it, so everyone's dancing. Steph, yes, yay! I can't wait to show it off. All right, so let's just say.
No, let me tell the story. So the reason why the box is open, here we have the box right here. The reason why the box is open is because Amazon has been going insane. I'm talking five-figure digit sales in 48 hours. So we have been sending and shipping. I wish I could just turn the camera around. You'll just see nothing but just inventory and just boxes and shipping and packaging and all kind of crazy stuff.
Shout out to Nana.
So Mama, yeah, hey, thanks for subscribing. She just subscribed to the channel yesterday. Well, thank you for being here. Yeah, honestly, thank you. Shout out to everybody being here.
Nana for the boxes.
Oh yeah, shout out to
Nana.
Aren't they cute, you guys?
Yeah, Mama V, and then
they're just adorable.
Singing, so she's an automatic. She knows what's up.
Mama V,
yeah, she said sing to Mama V.
Nice.
What's up, Wayne? Because she
Granny
said
Doe in the house. Granny Dope.
Dope. Whoa. Misty Southern Comfort's in the building. Do we say
Southern
hi to Danny?
Comfort.
We said hi to Danny, right?
Isn't that an alcoholic beverage? SoCo. That's what we call it. BG.
And Darlene.
Check us out.
And John.
Okay, so back to Steph's gift. Okay, listen.
I'm just saying names.
So the reason why we opened the gift and that we didn't, or the package of subscriber mail, is because we thought it was a return on Amazon. And we didn't want to embarrass ourselves. And dude, if we would have opened up a return on Amazon on live, come on. Anyways, what we would love to do is what? Open the package. So we're gonna pretend we haven't taken it out of like the actual thing. So dude, we're just gonna like do it. And it's so tight. I seen the title, I was like, whoa. Okay, here we go. Subscriber mail opening up. Here it is. This is from, was it Steph's Universe or Steph's World? Steph's Universe or Steph's
Universe?
Steph's Universe. All right. All right, here you go. You do the honors. How about
me?
Yep.
All right. nice.
Here we go, guys. I'm scared. I'm scared.
You got it. Yeah.
I don't really know what this is. We seen the title. We just put it back in. We were like, yo, we have to wait.
I was like, as soon as you open it, you have
Steph's
to say
Universe. That's who it is.
Steph's
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
it's
gosh.
a Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A bucket.
Oh, it's a bucket.
It's a Chick-fil-A bucket. Okay, let's see what's in it. I feel
Oh
like
my
there's some
gosh,
stuff
it
in it.
better not.
Whoa!
Crazy.
It says storage legends. Okay. All right, Steph's Universe is crazy. Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna start this off nice and chickeny.
Get out! No,
Shut up! Chick-fil-A.
Eat more chicken.
Oh my gosh, let's check this out. Okay. I want to say thank you for being such an inspiration to others. Every time I see you guys, you two have so much infectious joy, and it brings such happiness to all of us. I know that you are raving fans of Chick-fil-A, so I wanted to send you a little swag.
Oh my gosh.
Keep doing what you're doing. You never know who lives. You never know whose
lives you will touch.
May your business continue to grow and be blessed. Love you guys. Steph's Universe. Steph's Universe, I swear you are the most coolest person in the world. That is so cool, man. Look at this. She gave me a cow.
Move with me.
This is a kiss from Steph's Universe. Ready?
Aw, one's back.
Aw.
Nice. You better step off my woman cow.
Move.
Oh my gosh, there's all kind of Chick-fil-A attire
What the
in here.
heck?
Check that out.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Everybody type, tell Steph's Universe thank you. Everybody in the chat. Look, Joe, yeah, good looking out,
This
Joe.
is crazy.
Wow, how tight. Is
For
there a
you.
freaking fidget spinner, Steph?
Oh, snap.
Oh my gosh, Steph, Chick-fil-A.
For the hot chocolate commencing.
For the commencing hot chocolate.
Oh, the
my
commencing
gosh.
of the hot chocolate.
Steph, you're wild.
What is it?
It's Chick-fil-A sauce.
No.
Oh my
I didn't even know they did that.
Guys, I'm flipping
That sauce
out.
comes with the trays.
Flipping out, guys. Oh my
She
god.
says she's crying right now.
Oh my god, so am I. Wow.
Those are so cute.
Everybody at home, can I get a move?
Move.
You get a real move.
Move.
I like it.
Move.
Wow, what is this?
Oh my.
That's a backpack clip.
Oh my gosh,
so much
guys.
Chick-fil-A-ness.
This is all going on my fridge,
Oh.
in my stomach.
Get out.
My
So it
stomach.
is an ice bucket. I was half right.
Oh,
I
That's
didn't
the
ex-
scoop.
Ice bucket,
I didn't
guys.
expect all the goodies. We
Wow.
didn't expect all the goodies.
Steph said she worked for Chick-fil-A for
One more
7
thing.
years.
Look, I love
Still working there.
Wow.
And look, my nails are half painted. We're doing all right tonight. Woo!
Wow, that was really tight, Steph. That was, I mean, man,
Thank
that was
you,
tight.
Steph.
I can't even tell you. We'll probably get
We will use
cheesy.
every bit of this, Steph. Thank you so much.
We'll get cheesy at the end of the live, Steph. Just stay tuned. I got something to say. That was super tight. Wow.
Aw.
Wow, man. Awesome. Tal's in the house. What's up, Tal? What's up, Tal?
Who?
So
Oh, Talbert's mom. I was like, Tal.
so this was interesting. Right before the live started, I got an offer.
Ball.
I got an offer for
Lemon's a stress ball.
55 units on eBay. 12.
Anyway, guys, I wanted to share that with you. I really had a lot of fun putting that together for them. It just came from the bottom of my heart. So it was fun. I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed that clip of them last night. go check out their channel. They're a lot of fun to watch. Just bring joy into people's lives. So anyway, that is it for today, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. I would much appreciate it. And I will see you next time.